Hi, and welcome back to my channel Math Caffeine. This begins the new series on parallel and perpendicular lines. Two lines that do not intersect are either parallel lines or skew lines. Two lines are parallel lines when they do not intersect and are coplanar, such as line AC and line FE. These two lines are on the same plane, plane ACE, and will never intersect even if the lines continue in either direction. Two lines are skew lines when they do not intersect and are not coplanar. An example of this would be lines AC and line EH. They do not share a plane, and when you extend their lines, they will never intersect. Lastly, two planes that don't intersect are parallel planes. An example of parallel planes is plane ACB and plane EFG. They will never intersect even when you extend its lines in all four directions. There are four types of angles formed by transversals. A transversal is a line that intersects two or more coplanar lines at different points. An example of corresponding angles is angle 2 and 6. They are on the same side of the transversal but are both seated on top of each line. An example of alternate interior angles is 3 and 6, where they are both on the inside of the two lines but on opposing lines to the transversal. An example of alternate exterior angles is 1 and 8. They are on the outside of the two lines and opposite sides of the transversal. Lastly, the consecutive interior angles as shown by angle 4 and 6, where the two angles are on the same side of the transversal and both on the inside of the lines. There is no proof that the two lines cut by the transversal are parallel, but in the next part we will look at what happens to angles if these two lines were parallel. Thanks for watching. As always, feel free to email me with any comments, questions, or concerns at mathcaffeine@gmail.com. Happy studying!